Hey, what's up guys? Today I got here is a 2025 MacBook Air M4. This is released not too long ago. And I got 16 gigabyte memory. And this is standard now instead of 8 gigabyte. And I got 256 gigabyte storage. So this is the Starlight color. Let's open it up and take a look. Now the good thing about this laptop is a new chip, and also the price is lower than the previous MacBook, which is pretty good. So first in the box, this is a laptop. Show you guys the color. Looks a little bit gold-ish. Looks like a Starlight. And then in the box, this is the charging cable. And this one I picked is actually a dual USB Type-C, so I can charge the laptop and also my phone at the same time if I need it. And of course, in here there are sticker, instruction. I don't really need those. So take a look at the laptop first. It's still pretty thin, and you got a jack cable on this side, and on the other side you got a charging port and two USB Type-C. Let's open it up. So inside the laptop right here, everything should be the same as the previous one. You got your fingerprint, you can unlock it, and everything else is the same. Besides, you got a better screen, and also this camera, it's much better than the previous generation. I think mainly I want to show you guys is the color, so you guys can tell the color from different lightings. Just see the Starlight. The only thing the new color came out, it was kind of like a blue color, like light bluish color, new laptop. But I really like this Starlight. It's kind of silverish, but it also got a little bit gold in it, so it's pretty good, and it doesn't stick out the fingerprints. I used to have a blue one. Really easy to leave fingerprints on this laptop, but with this light color, you don't really see that much fingerprints. So for this 15-inch MacBook Air, the accessories I got, it's a keyboard cover, and the best thing is to cover those keys because there are gaps. You can easily fall some dust, water damage could be easily get into your motherboard. So with this, it covers perfect. So let me show you guys. It's see-through, so you can still see the back lights. You just have to shift a little bit and it's gonna sit in there perfect. You could barely see it. And also it doesn't block the fingerprint section, so you can still use your fingerprint. And it just feels really nice too, and it increases a little bit of resistance when you type. The next accessory I got is the laptop case. So it is a clear case. It has the top section and also the bottom section, so to protect the laptop from any bumps or scratches, so you can still see the color of this laptop. It's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is just push in, and you got the top one in there, and you can barely tell there's a cover on top, but it does give you a lot of protection. And for the bottom one, it's really easy as well. Just push down. Let me see. So, and also it has those resistance pad. So as you guys can see, it can increase resistance in case it slips on the table or anything. So it's really easy to just push down. You hear a click, and it's in. So now this laptop is well protected, and it still looks pretty good. Alright guys, let me know if you have any questions, leave a comment, And make sure you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.